So today I will be showing you a step-by-step on how to make Play-Doh. Play-Doh's super easy, super cheap. Normally the things that you need for it are around your household. There's many recipes showing for this. I'm using the one without the cream of tartar, which are most recipes. I normally make Play-Doh for the kids that I babysit during the summer because when it's raining or something, we need something to fill that time, and Play-Doh is a super fun way to do that. I normally make 4 colors. I'll be showing one color today. You can pick any color that you want. But some ingredients that you're going to need is all-purpose flour, canola or vegetable oil, salt, water, and food coloring. Some utensils you're going to need in order to make the Play-Doh are going to be measuring spoons, dry measuring cups, and also a bowl to mix the liquid ingredients and then bowl to mix the dry ingredients. So the first step into making this is water. You're going to put water in one bowl, and it calls for a 1/4 cup. I don't have a 1/4 cup, so I'm going to use 4 tablespoons, which equals a 1/4 cup. So right now I'm measuring out 4 tablespoons and putting it into one of the bowls. The next step into that same bowl of the wet liquids is putting a 1/2 tablespoon of canola or vegetable oil. I'm going to use vegetable oil, but you just want to use a 1/2 tablespoon. So you want to measure that out and pour that into the water. The next thing you're going to do is add food coloring, whichever color of your choice, and you can make multiple bowls if you'd like. You're going to add a few drops of coloring, no matter, it just really depends on how much you want color to be in it, if it's dark or light. No certain amount of coloring. And then you want to take a spoon and kind of mix that all together, get the oil mixed in with the water and the food coloring to be a constant color. So after you're done mixing that and it's to the liking of your color, you're going to set that aside, and it comes to the dry goods. So for dry goods, you want to take a cup of flour. So you're going to get a dry measuring cup, and you're going to measure out 1 cup of that. After you have it a flat base so it's not overflowing, you're going to go ahead and pour that flour in there. The next thing you want to do is grab a 1/2 cup of dry measuring cup. You want to get salt, which is our other ingredient that we're using, and you want to pour a 1/2 cup of salt into the same bowl that you're going to be mixing it with, the flour. After you do that, you can either take a different spoon or the same spoon. I'm going to use the same spoon. And you're going to just mix the salt in with the flour. Make sure it's at a constant. All the salt's mixed in with the flour. There's no more salt than flour in a certain spot. It gets kind of messy with the flour and salt because depending on how large your bowl is, which mine's kind of small. So after you got that mixed in to the way of your liking, it's all constant, you're going to take your cup, 1 cup measuring cup, and you're going to want to kind of scoop it into there. Depending on how dry you want your Play-Doh or how sticky you want it, you just kind of want to scoop to your discretion and kind of add in slowly to make sure that's the amount that you want. So after you scoop your dry mixture into a measuring cup, you want to go ahead and pour that into your liquids. After you pour it, you can start to mix it, and it'll start to get Play-Doh. If it's too runny, you can add more of your dry mixture. And you just kind of want to stir it till it gets to a clay-like substance. So mine looks about good, like I have enough flour. So after you get it to a place that you would like and a consistency that you would like, Mine kind of looks like this. It's really squishy, kind of sticky, but that's how I like it, and that's how normally kids like it to be played with. But after that, you're pretty much done. You got a ball of Play-Doh. You can make as many colors as you want, and to store it, you can put it into Ziploc baggies. Thank you.